getting a loan from Scotiabank is pretty easy thing to do. Today, I'm going to teach you how you guys can get a proper loan from the Scotiabank. So the process is pretty simple. You just have to go to your Google and type in apply for loan Scotiabank, and I will go to this website, which is apply for loan in Canada. And as you guys can see, I'm at the home page of this website, and here I will be able to see all types of loan. You just have to select any of the type that you want to do or that you want to choose. Suppose I want to, get this marine and boat loan. So I'm going to click on this learn more. As you guys can see, this will give me, up to $200,000, and I will be able to see all the details, all the conditions that they want me to do. So after that, you just simply have to, call them. As you guys can see, this is their number. You just have to, call them, and you just have to, or you guys can simply visit the Scotiabank nearby, and you have to talk to any of the agent. An agent will totally guide you how you guys can get a loan, how do you have to pay it back, and every other information that you need. So this is how you guys can properly get a loan in Scotiabank. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.